What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, we're going to be looking at Master Affiliate Profits compensation plan exposed and what they aren't telling you. Now, once you listen to what I have to say in this video, you may decide you want to join Master Affiliate Profits today, even as a free member, because as a free member, you are able to earn commission. Now, here are the plans and the pricing. You can go monthly, which is at the silver, $37 per month. The gold is $67 per month, and the platinum is $97 per month. Or you can remain a free member and still earn a residual income on silver, gold, or platinum. Now, the beauty of that is you can also earn if they go annually. Okay, so you would earn on the $297 annually for silver, $597 yearly as gold, $797 platinum. Regardless of how you look at it, monthly or annually, you're earning a residual income even as a free member. Okay. And here's the thing that they're not telling you. Here it is. You do not have to own silver, gold, or platinum monthly or yearly. You do not have to upgrade to silver, gold, or platinum in order to earn a residual income. If you think about it, most of the programs that you become an affiliate of, some of them, not all of them, but some of them, you have to own the products, okay? I'm a member of an affiliate program right now, whereas if I want to earn a commission on a certain level within that program, I have to own that product, okay? That's the only way I can earn a commission on it. If I don't own that product, then I do not own a commission. The difference is with MAP, even as a free member, you are able to earn a residual income and income on any other thing that they promote or sell within the system. Anything that one of your referrals buy within the system, you are able to earn. So let's go ahead and look at the compensation plan now so you can see how this works. So if I scroll down here to commissions on upsell number 1 is all members are paid 100% commission on upsell 1. And this is the traffic offer you saw when you signed up. You haven't signed up yet, but when you do it, you're going to see it. What that is as a free member, you're going to earn 100% commissions on $9.95, which means you earn almost $10, okay, even as a free member. Understand that. As I said before, most of the time you have to own the product in order to earn. That is not the case with MAP. You're able to earn even if you don't own any of the gold, silver, or the platinum. Okay. Now, the gold earns 100%, the silver earns 100%, or silver and gold, and platinum earns 100%. But as we continue on the commission levels, okay, that was the upsell. This is the upsell. These are the levels. These are the levels that we're looking at here. Silver, gold, and platinum. These are the levels, whether monthly or annually, okay? Either or. We come back down on the levels. These are the commission you receive for all level sales from your referral. Example, silver, gold, and platinum. You earn 25% of the $37 per month silver, $67 per month gold, $97 per month platinum, or annually 25% on the $297, the $597 yearly, the $797 yearly. So either way it goes, you are earning residual income with the MAP system. 25% of that, as silver is 40, as gold is 50, as platinum is 75. Commission upgrades, okay? These are the commission you receive from any additional add-on sales from your referral, and these sales typically range from in the price from $9.95 up to $997. So you're able to earn 20%, okay, on the $9.95 to $997 of any additional sales within the MAP system. Okay, as a free member, understand that. Let that sink in. You do not have to own the products, but you can earn the commissions just for being a free member. 30% silver, 35% gold, 50% platinum. Clicks. These are the commissions you receive from all done for you traffic orders your referral make. When your referral buy traffic, you get paid. Example, if your referral invests $250 in traffic, you will receive $25. Okay. If it's $500, then that means you're going to earn 10% of that, which would be $50. Okay. And that's the same all the way across the board for silver, gold, and platinum. Another thing, you're going to earn commission on live workshop. Okay. These are the commission you receive from live full-day workshop that may run from time to time. You earn 5% on that as well. As a silver 10, as a platinum, as a gold 15, as a platinum 20. And you get to earn on third-party commissions as well. All members will be paid on third-party referrals once they complete their profile. Example, Aweber, GetResponse, or any other tools that they have. This means if you refer someone to MAP and they invest in any third-party service such as Aweber, you will receive all of the commission, not a percentage, but all of the commission for that particular program, whether it's Aweber, any outside autoresponder, or whatever. So if you look at the fact, as a free member, you're earning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 income streams within this system, and you haven't even upgraded. Now, if you want to earn more, okay, then you can upgrade at any time that you feel like it. Okay, you're going to get access to the Facebook group, so you get that as well. But understand what I'm saying. What they aren't telling you is, and probably haven't mentioned in a lot of the videos, is as a free member, you do not have to own the product in order to earn a commission. As I said before, I'm in a particular affiliate program now, and in order for me to earn a commission on that product or the products, I have to own the products. That is not the case inside a MAP. Even as a free member, you are able to earn. Now, what that means is you can come in as a free member and remain a free member as long as you want and still earn a commission while you are learning and going through the process. Now, there is a one-time sale, upsell. When you click the link that is in the description, there is an upsell for $9.95 to get the traffic. Okay, and I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, should you purchase that upsell, which is $9.95, you're going to get the traffic jump start. Okay. And what that is going to do is start helping you getting traffic, even though you are a free member, because without traffic, even as a free member, there's a possibility that you will not earn any commission. And I'm not guaranteeing you any commission anyway, because I don't know what you're willing to do, but you can earn, okay, by following the traffic jumpstart. And let me show you what's inside of here for $9.95. Inside of the traffic jumpstart, you're going to get these 4 videos or 4 modules, module 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you're going to get access to the traffic jumpstart ebook. If you decide that you don't want to spend the $9.95 or for the videos, then you can get the book itself for $4.95. I highly recommend that you go ahead on and get this traffic jumpstart with the videos and the book. Why even join for free if you're not going to learn how to send traffic to to, your affiliate link, which is this link up here at the top. Okay, this would be your link. Okay, and going through this traffic jumpstart video are going to show you how to do that step by step, so you can start bringing in people. You're going to be using Udemy. Okay, so I highly recommend that you go ahead and get the traffic jumpstart. Just understand that as a free member, you do not have to own the products. Plus, you get to earn residual income as a free member. So let's just recap, and then I'm going to let this video go. On the monthly, as a free member, residual income silver, residual income on the gold, residual income on the platinum. This is monthly, and you can get it annually. Understand, the commission level, you earn 25%. You do not have to own the products, and it is residual income, and you're earning up to 6 income streams inside a map all by itself. So if you see the value of what I'm talking about in this video about the Master Affiliate Compensation Plan, then you need to go ahead and click that link in the description so you can possibly start earning passive income, okay, as an affiliate marketer. MAP is the only program that you can join and earn within the system as a free member, and you do not have to own the product. That in itself is a plus. So go ahead, click the link in the description to get started. Make sure you go through the process, and let me show you how that is done. So when you click the link in the description below, you're going to come to a page that looks just like this. Right now we have over 6,000 active members inside a map, and it is growing daily. You're going to click this link right here, this button right here, and you're going to come to this page. You're going to start setting up your free account. Okay, enter your best email. Make sure my name is down here at the bottom, referred by Richard Harrison, and then you're going to go through the rest of the process that looks just like this. Now this is just a screenshot, but you're going to enter your name, and you're going to create a username, click the save button, go through to the next step. Okay, your free MAP account has been created. We've emailed you your password. You have to go to your email, copy the password, come back to this page, and paste that password in here, okay, where it says paste the password from the email. Once you do that, okay, you're going to go through the next step. Understand there's a time limit on this that you need to get it done, so go ahead and follow through with the process. Once you do that, okay, you're going to say congratulations, you're in. Watch this video. Okay, this is the first upsell. This is where you're going to invest $9.95 to get the traffic, where you can start learning how to get traffic to your one link. After that, if you don't get this one, you're going to have the option of just getting the ebook for $4.95, but I highly recommend that you get the $9.95 and get going from there. Once you get your account set up, this is what you're going to do next. Inside of your account, watch this video. It is important that you watch this because they're welcoming you, and they're going to show you what you need to do. And then you're going to click here for the mandatory orientation. You click that button, and then you watch this video right here. It's almost an hour long, but it's worth the watch. Go ahead and watch it to get your account going in the right direction, set up correctly, and then you are ready to go. Follow the traffic training that you're going to get access to, and you'll be good to go. So with that being said, go ahead on, click the link in the description, come to this page, and follow the process. I look forward to seeing you inside of the MAP system. Leave me a comment below. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Facebook. I will leave a link up above for you to do that. Go ahead and get started right now. I will see you on the inside of MAP. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.